Welcome to Physics Caught on Camera. In this video, we are learning about derive a relation between focal length and radius of curvature, which means a radius of curvature is equal to double of the focal length. For this, we are considering a concave mirror. Concave mirror bulged outwards as a reflected surface, bulged inwards as a coated surface, we called as a concave mirror. From one point to another point, the length of a mirror, we can call it as aperture. The center of aperture called as pole. An imaginary line through the pole called as principal axis. If object at infinitive, which means light ray parallel to principal axis, which incident on the concave mirror, which reflects back. So where the reflected ray reflecting back, that point we can call it as focus point. The distance between focus point and pole, focal length, double of the focus point, center of curvature to the pole, a radius of curvature. So from this center of curvature, we are considering a normal. If you consider normal to the point of incidence, let's say this is B. Now, incident ray to the normal, this angle we can call it as angle of incidence. Normal to reflected ray, this angle we can call it as angle of reflection. So here the angle will be alpha. And this is angle I and this is angle R. All right. Now, as you know that according to laws of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. As you know that AB is parallel to, let's say this is point A. AB is parallel to CP. In this case, angle alpha is equal to angle I. As you know, triangle BFC, angle R is equal to angle alpha. Hence, CF is equal to FB. Let's say for the mirror aperture is very small. Mirror of small aperture. FB is equal to FP. Therefore, CF is equal to FP. Hence, CP is equal to, which means the total length of CP is equal to CF plus FP. So what is CF? FP plus FP is equal to 2FP. Therefore, CP is equal to 2FP. What is CP? Radius of curvature is equal to 2 of, what is FP? Focal length. Hence, R is equal to 2F, which is proved. Thank you so much for watching this. If you are the first time watching, please subscribe. As continuous series, 12th standard CBSE physics. In this video, we can learn about mirror formula. What is mirror formula and how to derive it? As you know, object distance we are indicating with letter U, image distance V, and focal length F. So according to mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by object distance plus 1 by image distance. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, we need to prove. For this, we can consider concave mirror. Concave mirror having the pole, imaginary line through the pole called as principal axis. Let's say focus point, center of curvature. We have placed object beyond C. Now, first ray parallel to principal axis, which reflects back. Second ray through pole, it can connect here. I can rewrite again. Yes, while writing, we have to properly organize. Pole, and from the pole again reflector ray, which is meeting the second first ray of reflected ray. So both they are meeting at between C and F. As you know that object beyond C, image between C and F. Let's say object, we can put it as A and B, and image will be B and A, inverted image, what we discussed. Now, from object through the center of curvature, again a line going which is meeting at point here, the same point. As you know that if an object light transmits through center of curvature, it retraces the same path. It won't be deviate. Now, focus point to the pole, let's say P, and this distance is focal length, where the image is formed to the pole, that is image distance V, where we placed object to the pole, that is object distance U. So now we need to derive it. As you know, OB, as you know that object distance BP is equal to minus U, image distance let's say that is B dash P. B dash P is equal to minus V, and focal length FP is equal to minus F. Radius of curvature, that is CP. So from here to here, that is CP, is equal to minus R, which is equal to minus 2F. So as you know that triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is identically equal to triangle ABC. So as you know that A dash B dash by AB is equal to CB dash by CB. So CB dash in the sense of CB dash. Let's say this is a B dash, A dash. So CB dash is equal to, we can write CP minus B dash P. Now, CB, center of curvature to here, the B point. CB, we can write it as BP minus CP. BP minus CP. So CP in the sense of minus R, minus of minus plus B dash P minus V, minus of minus plus V by BP value minus U plus R. So this is equation number 1. Now as angle A dash P B dash is equal to angle APB. Therefore, triangle A dash B dash P is identical equal to triangle ABP. Now, A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash P by BP is equal to minus V by minus U is equal to V by U. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 equations, we can write minus r plus v by minus u plus r is equal to v by u. Now multiple. Minus ur plus uv is equal to minus uv plus vr. So vr plus ur is equal to uv plus uv, 2uv. Okay. Now both the sides we can take it as by uvr, and here also uvr. Yes, that implies vr by uvr, which means 1 by u, plus ur will be cancelled, that is 1 by v, is equal to 2uv will be cancelled, that is 1 by r. Yes, no, actually here, yeah, not necessary. UVR we are dividing. So 2 by R, which means R is equal to 2F. So 2F, 2 will be cancelled. So finally, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, which is mirror formula. Clear? Thank you so much to understand about this. And for further more videos, please subscribe and put a bell icon, and you will get a notification of each and every class of Class 12 standard. Thank you.